Hello, dear students. Today we are going to see example on superposition theorem. Here is one circuit, 50 volt battery, 10 ohm resistance. We have to find response in this particular 30 ohm resistance, 20 ohm resistance, and another 20 volt battery. Two sources are active in this particular circuit. Now, as find load current for the circuit shown in above figure using superposition theorem, as we are supposed to obtain current IL only, we will obtain the currents flowing through 30 ohm resistor only due to the individual sources and then add them algebraically. So we have to find current due to 50 volts first in this particular 30 ohm resistance. At that time this source is inoperative, it is voltage source, so it is considered as short circuit. Take parallel of these two, 30 and 20, then add this parallel combination with this 10 ohm resistance. This is the total resistance. So voltage upon total resistance is the total current flowing in this branch. Now this current is now solution for current division method. Total current into this current, this resistance divided by the series combination of both resistance. Let us see step 1, current through 30 ohm resistance due to only 50 volt source. So this way parallel combination 20 and 30, 12 ohm, and this 12 ohm is added in this 10 ohm resistance. So next we are going to see this circuit diagram here. This 10 plus 12, 22, it is come in this fashion, parallel combination solved here. 20 into 30 upon 20 plus 30 is equal to 600 by 50 is equal to 12 ohm, and total current is 50 upon 22 is equal to 2.27. Current division method we are applying. So by current division method we are getting this current 0.09 ampere. You can see this step by step. I am holding the camera so that you will get total idea. Current due to 50 volt source in the resistance I, this particular current IL dash due to first source 50 volts. Now we are going to solve for another source. Step 2, current through 30 ohm resistor due to only 20 volt source active, IL2 dash. Now assume the 50 volt source to be shorted, 50 volts now shorted, and this 20 volt will be operative. Now this particular 20 volt, 20 ohm, 30 ohm, 10 ohm, and this 50 volt source shorted. So the parallel combination will give you 7.5 ohm, and here addition of both you will get this particular parallel combination addition 7.5 ohm. It is added in this particular 20 ohm resistance here, and you will get 0.73 total current due to 20 volts in this circuit. This is I. Now we are going to solve for IL2, IL double dash 10 upon 10 plus 30 into I. 1 by 4 into 0.73, here is 0.73, and we'll get answer 0.181. So calculate the total current through 30 ohm. 30 ohm is the basic resistor where we have to find response. So as per the superposition theorem, now both the when both sources are active, then this current in the 30 ohm resistance is the algebraic sum of the currents due to individual sources, and IL dash plus IL double dash, and is formulated here. IL is equal to IL dash plus IL double dash, that is equal to 0.909 plus 0.181, and it is equal to 1.09 amperes. So you can solve so many problems. Superposition theorem gives you response in any resistance due to sources acting individually, and take algebraic sum of it, you will get total response in the circuit.